Wrth i Ardd Fotaneg Cymru gyrraedd 20 mlwydd oed, bu rhaid cau'r drysau i ymwelwyr wrth i'r feirws Covid ymledu drwy'r wlad. Am y tro cyntaf erioed, mae'r lle yn wag. Does dim un enaid byw bellach i weld ar lwybrau niferus y gerddi. Mae'r Tŷ Gwydr Crand yn gartref i gasgliad arbennig o blanhigion canoldirol, ac mae James yn un o'r rheolwyr garddwriaeth sydd dal wrth ei waith. Mae e hefyd yn un o'r bobl prin a lwcus sydd wedi gallu mwynhau arddangosfa godidog y Gwanwyn.
So this is a ceanothus. It's a Californian lilac. It's low maintenance in the great glasshouse. We do a bit of pruning, watering and feeding. Ceanothus are readily available to the UK gardener. They're hardy outside but flower more late spring, like a full sun position. But at the minute in here this is looking profoundly beautiful and we're lucky to have it here. We're still watering, we're still feeding, we're still planting, we're still growing. So hopefully when the visitors return they have something really impressive to look at. This ceanothus is blue, and blue is actually my favourite colour, but it's also a colour that's close to my heart because my wife and mother-in-law are currently working for the NHS, combating the situation. And the resilience of this tree reminds me about the resilience of the NHS. So what we've got here is the king protea. This is the largest of the Proteaceae. When they open, they're known as an inflorescence. So this will be about the size of a dinner plate when it opens. And inside will be hundreds and hundreds of little flowers surrounded by very, very colourful bracts, which makes up one full flower. So that's why people think it's a giant flower, but actually it's botanically really quite interesting.
Mewn cyfnod swriel a phryderus, mae'r Tŷ Gwydr yn gacwn o normalrwydd. Mae bywyd yn mynd yn ei flaen mewn fan hyn wrth i fyd natur oroesi. Unwaith eto, mae hi'n paratoi am y genedlaeth nesaf ac am y tymor nesaf. Cyn hir bydd drysau'r ardd yn agor unwaith eto, a gawn ni gyd fwynhau sioe liwgar a thrawiadol tymor yr haf.